In this video, I will show you how to change audio or sound output on your LG Smart TV. Now, over here is my LG WebOS Smart TV, and the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and press on the settings button on your LG remote control, or alternatively, you can just go over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your LG Smart TV. So you want to scroll over to the top using your remote control, and then go ahead and press on this settings icon at the top. Now from the settings menu over here, you want to scroll down until you get to sound output over here. Now you can just go ahead and select it just like so, and after you have selected it, you want to scroll horizontally to choose from all of the sound output options that you have on your LG Smart TV. So you can just scroll like so to choose Bluetooth devices over here, scroll again to choose mobile devices, scroll again to choose optical out device, scroll again to choose HDMI, and then just select any of the option that you actually want on your LG Smart TV. Now once you find the sound output option you want, you just want to go ahead and select it by just clicking on the OK or select button, and automatically that particular sound output will be selected for your LG Smart TV. So you have successfully changed the sound output. Now if you also notice over here, once any of the sound output is selected and that sound output option is not available on your LG Smart TV, for instance the Bluetooth option, because I do not have any Bluetooth device like a speaker or a soundbar connected to my TV, it is actually grayed out. And to connect a Bluetooth device, for instance, I'll just go ahead and click on device list, and automatically my LG Smart TV should be able to find all of the available Bluetooth devices I can now connect to, and then use it as my sound output option for the Bluetooth. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.